to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:03 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 7:44 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, bright Jupiter is in the southeastern sky. It seems to be leading a contingent of bright stars westward. Jupiter is to the right of the Pleiades star cluster, while it appears to the upper right of Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster. Jupiter is moving eastward in front of Aries, 13.3 degrees to the lower left of Hamel, meaning the full-grown Lamb, and 11.3 degrees to the upper left of Menkar, Cetus Nostral. Through a telescope, the star Sigma Arietis appears in line with the four other large moons, known as the Galilean satellites. The star seems to imitate a fifth large moon. Listen to yesterday's podcast for more details. Today's article has a chart showing the star's place among Jupiter's brightest moons. At this hour, Saturn is less than 20 degrees up in the southwest. It is retrograding, the illusion of moving westward against the distant starfield, in front of Aquarius, 8.0 degrees to the right of Skate, the Aquarian's leg, and 7.6 degrees to the lower right of Lambda Aquarii, Lambda Acre. This trio nearly forms an equilateral triangle. In a few days, Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, is too low to be seen at this time interval. This morning it is nearly 20 degrees to the left of Saturn and less than 10 degrees above the horizon. Venus is racing into the morning sky, today rising 27 minutes before the Sun. In the accompanying image from 2020, Venus was nearly 20 degrees from the Sun and appeared above the eastern horizon nearly an hour before the Sun. This morning Venus is nearly 12 degrees from the Sun and theoretically visible from a location with a clear view at the horizon. The first easy view, resembling the scene in the image, occurs in 3 days when Venus rises 49 minutes before the Sun, when the planet is about 3 degrees above the eastern horizon at 30 minutes before daybreak. In the evening sky, Mercury is overtaking our planet, passing between our world and the Sun on September 6th and then an appearance in the morning sky. After last night's appearance with the crescent moon, Mars is lost in bright evening twilight, setting over 70 minutes after sundown. An hour after sunset, the evening crescent moon, 12% illuminated, is less than 10 degrees above the western horizon. It is in front of Virgo, 4.3 degrees to the lower right of Porrima, also known as Gamma Virginis, and nearly 20 degrees to the lower right of Spica, the constellation's brightest star. Look for earthshine on the moon between the lunar cusps or horns, that is nighttime on the moon. This gentle illumination is sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land. It is similar to moonlight softly lighting up terrestrial features. This begins when the phase is more than 30% lit. Saturn nears its opposition date, when it rises at sunset. This evening the ringed wonder peaks above the horizon 20 minutes after nightfall. By 2 hours after sunset, it is over 15 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. Skate and Lambda Aquarii are nearby. During the night the planet appears farther westward. Less than 3 hours after Saturn rises, before midnight at most locations, Jupiter rises in the eastern sky. By tomorrow morning, the Jovian giant is high in the southeast. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.